We will always tell you that specifications are really important to consider when doing your prep works for utility connections. This is 25mm water pipe. We're in Yorkshire Water's area at the moment, and there's an expectation that this end of the pipe enters the building and has a stop tap on it, and that the rest of the pipe makes its way through site and up to the boundary ready for connection. At the boundary, that end needs to be sealed, but in Yorkshire Water's area it can be taped or preferably a mechanical end, and you leave an excess at the boundary so that Yorkshire Water can pick that up when they do the connection. This pipework needs to be correct. In some circumstances, this pipework isn't correct, and that's when the network owner determines that barrier pipe is required. Barrier pipe is a much denser specification than this is, and it's to protect the safety of people consuming the water from contaminants in the ground. Outside of Yorkshire Water's area, the same pipework can be used, but the requirements are a little bit different. You would definitely need to have a mechanical end, you would definitely need your stop tap, but some networks want to come out and have a look at the fittings that you've got inside the building as well and complete an inspection before they'll do that final connection.